compromised. Proceed to secondary extraction south of bridge. Enemy presence? Substantial.
It's just too hot, man. But room temperature? Please, a beer should be ice cold.
A lager, maybe. Or a glass of water like you drink. But a pint of stout?
I'm gonna have to school y'all both when we get back stateside.
Yeah, well, either way, we're stopping in London first. And I'm buying.
Well, at least the world didn't end. Hit it.
Enemy truck, 6 o'clock!
Base plate, this is Bravo 6. What's the status on our helicopter?
Bravo 6, the bird has been delayed. ETA 15 minutes.
Not good enough, base plate. We'll be dead in 10.
Truck, moving up on the left! Yeah, no kid. Oh shit, he's about to take out that bridge! Stop the bloody truck!
The bridge isn't gonna hold. Move, move, move!
It's about to collapse. Get your ass out of there! Mate, this is Bravo 4. We're under heavy attack on the highway bridge. Up map grid. 244-352. Request helicopter gunship support. Over.
Working on it, Bravo 5. Loyalist forces in the area may be able to assist, but we cannot confirm at this time. Base plate out.
A useless wanker!
Guys, give me a sit rep on those helicopters!
Captain Price! Go on our own, sir!
Bravo team, this is Sergeant Kamarov. I understand you and your men could use some help.
Good to hear from you, mate.
Stand by, we are almost there. ETA 3 minutes. Kamarov out.
government released a statement today confirming a series of nuclear missile tests in central Russia. Although world leaders were quick to denounce the action, Russian officials maintain that the missile tests fell well within established UN protocols. No comment was received from the ultra-nationalist party, where rumors of a possible leadership struggle have just begun to surface. In other news, the search for a ship lost in the Bering Strait due to a major storm has been called off.
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan. Set scan range. Yeah, roger that. Cleared to engage all of those. Copy. Smoke them. Copy. We got a vehicle on the move. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle. Yeah, roger that. Confirm vehicle neutralized. This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel. Roger that. Returning to base.
Hot off the heels of Call of Duty 2, the Infinity Ward team has been developing Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. We're making a more sophisticated, deeper Call of Duty experience. Variety is the next big thing for us. We're going deep and we're going hard.
The weak man may be careful not to soil himself when he plays this game.
In the mind and time, you'll find my lines combining the twine, underline, rhyme divine. No Heim, you go against me. 249, lift you swiftly. Front lines in it with me. Think I'm lying? Come and get me. Hot Sergeant Briggs reporting for duty.
Roger.
Some say this belong in the movie. But this the third installment, Infinity Ward shit. Don't soil your drawers, cause it's deep in his heart, bitch. Ready for action, 50 cal, start the clapping. 4 horsemen kicking the rerun, asking what's happening. Too late for all that flapping, out they gates with all those backed in. This one's for McMillan, 15 years you have relaxed. Now it's time to settle the score, we ready to war. As a guest on board, my tribe war tour. And this the third installment, Infinity Ward shit. Don't soil your drawers, cause it's deep in his heart, bitch.
Alright, all in Marines, stay frosty.
Loyal this time. Are they good Russians or the bad Russians? On fire! Friendly's coming out!
So, a company of helicopter troops closing in fast.
No sign of our side, sir.
Maybe alive. I hate bargaining with Kamarov. Always a bloody catch.
He's in there. I hear him.
So, we're grouping Captain Price. You can storm the building while I put the power. Go! Nikolai, are you alright? Can you walk?
The weak man, be careful not to soil himself when he plays this game.
Marines, SAS, hands up. Zakayev, haha, hand up. Yo, shout out to Price, the one-handed bandit maker. Gas and Vasquez, disbanded any takers. If there's anyone greater, then show me. If not, then blow me. You can label the hater for side talk, I dub it solely. Out for success, back it up with a little success. And when you back down to digress, you hear them yell success. Devastation. Yeah, that's what you facing when I call of duty. It's a touchdown in nations. Your heart get to racing while you run with palpitations. Daddy's boy on the roof, buck himself, damnation. Papa mad now, on the bridge we had a throwdown. Buck me and my bros down, thanks to you, that cat no more now. And this the third installment, Infinity Ward shit. Don't soil your drawers, cause it's deep in his heart, bitch. Watch your 6, devil dog. Roger that, I got something better anyway.
Roger, covering left flank.
678452056. 678452056. 678452056.
We're going deep and we're going hard.
Surely you can't be serious.
I'm serious. And don't call me Shirley.